What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Frog's Garage again. I was actually in the middle of assembling the box for that other video, and UPS showed up. And I normally listen to music out here in my garage, but I don't really get good signal out here. In fact, I can show you real quick. I got one bar, and I'm even got my Wi-Fi turned on, but I'm not even connecting to the Wi-Fi inside my house. So today what we're going to work on is we're going to get Wi-Fi ran out to the shop. So this came the other day, and I was just waiting on this last piece here. This is 250 feet of Ethernet cable. It's probably more than I need, and also for the time being, I'm only going to put this on the back of the house and just zip tie it temporarily until I get the trench and everything done for water and everything else out here, and then I'll run this underground out to the shop so I can mount this actually probably in one of the windows there. So that will give me Wi-Fi pretty much in the backyard and the shop off of this. So let's go on ahead and try to get it moved to the house, and we'll get it ran. Okay guys, so I'm here at the back of the house about to go inside. I got just a drill with a drill bit, my cable in there, and I could not find my little hammer. I got some little like nails and stuff to hold the wire up to the floorboards. So right now that crescent wrench is going to be my little framing hammer. So I gotta crawl, my router and everything is all the way on the other side, front side of the house. So I gotta crawl all the way through. So let me go on ahead, start making my way back there, and we'll get the hole in the floor and run the cable up to the room. Okay guys, so I made it all the way to the other side of the house. I crawled up under here and dragged my bag. So you can see here, I'm like bar crawling under the ventilation and everything. But that right there is my Ethernet cable that goes to my room. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole right next to it to run another Ethernet cable that's gonna go to feed the backyard and the shop. So let me grab the drill real quick. All right, so I got the drill. This ventilation's kind of right in my way, but we'll go for a hole right there. All right, so it should be good right there. Yep. I can see into my room. All right, now that your hole is drilled, just try to push your Ethernet cable on up through the floor. And I'm gonna feed a good bit in there. I can always push it back down after. All right, and now I'm gonna make my way back, hanging the wire as I go back to the outside. So I'll see you guys back out there. Okay guys, so I made it back from underneath the house. I got the rest of my coil right there. All right, and I already had a little hole in my brick wall where they ran the electrical for the AC unit. So I just pulled it out there. All right, so I have plenty enough line. It should make it out there to the shop when I'm ready for that part. So let's go in the shop, open up that Wi-Fi antenna that's in the shop, and then we'll come get it plugged in. Already got the other end plugged into the router that's in my room. So let's go unbox that, and then we'll hook it up and see what else you have to set up. All right, so we got this TP-Link AC 1200 indoor-outdoor access point. So this is what we're going to use to get signal out here. Go ahead and pop open the box. Okay, so we got this, and it recommends putting the antennas at like a 45. So we'll do it like that. Comes with some zip ties. So we'll just zip tie it to the wall. And of course, when we get in the shop, we'll hard mount it. So let's go back outside. All right, so we got the Ethernet cable right here. I'm gonna just pull it out. And we're going to take it and I'm gonna zip tie this to this for the time being. All right, so like that. Pop this down. Just plug the Ethernet into the bottom. All right, now that's hooked up. So now I'm gonna have to go probably put that ESP box in on the inside. Sorry, screen's been dirty from coloring underneath the house. So yeah, that's mounted on the wall. Okay, so we got the antenna hooked up out here now. So I pull up on my phone and you see it comes up. You got TP-Link 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz with a strong signal right here. So let's go all the way out here to my shop and see how it picks up in the shop. Okay, so let's do a refresh on the Wi-Fi networks, see what comes up. All right, so you see there the 5 gigahertz dropped 1 bar. The 2.4 gigahertz is still full signal. So we'll just go ahead and connect to the 5 gigahertz, and I'm gonna go in with the app and everything and set a password to connect to these so can't just anybody connect to them. So we are currently connected to the 2.4 gigahertz, and I thought that was something else for a second. So let's see. Well, let's look at a little mic X.
I'm in trouble. Give me a piece of that motherfucker, man.
So it pulled up right away and loaded.
A couple years ago, I ended up in a motorcycle.
I mean, pretty much instant. As soon as I click it, it loads up. So that's going to pretty much wrap up getting Wi-Fi out here into the shop. So now I can listen to my music and everything. Again, guys, I'm gonna put the link down in the description for that TP-Link. It comes with the little power box and stuff that feeds it that I told you about that goes in the house. But yeah, link for that's gonna be down in the description. Again, guys, thank y'all for watching my videos. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget, like, subscribe for more stuff that I'll be having come out. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.